Okay, meteorologist Zeke here. Out here in Zeke patio. It's not exactly a patio. We got fucking ice skating rink out here. Fucking Peggy Fleming, Scott Hamilton, Sarah Hughes, and fucking Michelle Kwan was out here skating a while ago. It's a lot of good skate. But anyway, today what they did is they took the meteorologist and they were going to have the markets director plow snow today, but then the markets director couldn't fit into the skid steer loader. So they said, well, fuck, we're going to have our meteorologist do it. So I'm going to try to show you a couple things on the skid steer loader here. And now I got the GoPro on. Looks like I've been in a fucking mud run. I guarantee I ain't been in a fucking mud run just lately. But anyway, that video will show up on my YouTube channel a little later on. It's going to take a little while to process that. It takes me a little while to process things. But anyway, what we got going on out here, I'm going to show you the controls on the inside of that there. Unfortunately, we ain't going to be able to get any good video from in there, but my GoPro died. Now when you're running heavy equipment like this, they don't want you doing anything that could in any way, you don't want to be goofing around, you don't want to be doing anything that that you shouldn't be doing when you're running high power equipment. You got to be safe. That's the important thing. You got to be safe. You got to be careful when you're bucketing. It's just like at work when you're running the goddamn fork truck. If you tip over about 15 fucking pallets, guess what's going to happen? You're going to be going down for a fucking piss test. That's what's going to be fucking going on there. Anyway, initially it can be kind of cold in the skid steer loader, so you should have your fucking gloves or mittens with you. You should have that. What else would I say? Oh, you'll see when I get running this. I'm not exactly the Morbits boys. Let's just put it that way. This was my only second time doing this today, so thank God I didn't take out the radio barn. But the markets director, I think, can come pretty fucking close to getting in there now. But anyway, what else could I tell you about this? Probably not much. But yeah, it's like I said, it's just like at work. You don't want to be smoking any of the governor's weed. You don't want to be smoking any of that Evers weed. Because if you fuck up, then you're going down for a piss test. That's just something to keep in mind there. Anyway, this video will be broken up just a little bit. We'll show you the controls on the inside of there, what it kind of looks like. And like I say, I don't think I've got a good way of running this camera from in there, but you never know. We'll get it recording here. We're going to show you how to get into the skid steer loader here. So you always want to have your bucket down. You don't want to ever be getting in and out of that son of a bitch with the bucket way up there, because if it comes down on top of you, it'll be a fucking pancake. That's what's going to happen. Got to take this shit serious. Just like at work. Anyway, we can get in here. Let's get a pretty choppy video. I'm going to try to make the flip video a GoPro. I don't know how well that's going to work. Anyway, once you get in here, you got to shut your fucking door, and you got to shut it real tight. Like that. Now, I'm going to stop the camera right now. Okay, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to turn this camera, if at all possible, into a makeshift GoPro. Oh, I don't think that's going to work. Trying something here. know how this is gonna work. This is pretty fucking makeshift, but anyway. I don't know if this is doing anything for you, if you can really see anything, but anyway, to start, son of a bitch, you want to let it heat up a little bit first. That's running. Now you want to know, you gotta get you want to bring down this, it's just like a lap bar on a roller coaster. It's kind of like riding the son of a bitch. Okay, and we got the same problem we had before. Fucking parking brake don't want to go off. Okay, we're good. Okay, I'm going to show you how to bucket now. Okay, down here on the left, the John Deere skid steer loader, they'll all be different. You want to raise the bucket, tip it back like this. You want to lower it, do like that. And on the right side, the tip in the bucket, doing that. Now, like I said before, you don't want to be smoking Governor Evers' weed when you're doing this. It's serious shit. Because I'm sure just the same way at my other job, if I fuck up something here, if I take out the market structure's radio barn, they're going to be sending me a fucking piss test, and it ain't going to be any fucking joke. Anyway, you got to be careful with shit. I want you focused on what you're focused on, especially if it's only your second time in a skid steer loader. I mean, like I said before, I'm not exactly the Mormons boys, but anyway, we're going to show you how to fucking run this thing, kinda. Hey, you can just push that shit all over the place if you want to. These things are actually pretty easy to run. And what we're going to do is bring the bucket up like that. And dump it just like that. It's just like running a fork truck at work, and that's all fun and games until you knock down 16 fucking pallets. Then it ain't so goddamn funny anymore. So at that point, you know, you're just going down for a piss test and you just shit your pants on top of it. But anyway, okay, we got our bucket down. You don't want to have your boom way up there like that. I'm trying to show you how to do it the unsafe way. That ain't a good thing. Now, I don't know if this camera is tipped good at all. It's probably not fucking shit. But anyway, down like that. Now, if you want to turn, you just do this deal. You'll learn how to do that. Cubby Morvis showed me how to do that. I'm probably making a fucking mess out here. Ron's probably thinking, what the fuck you doing? You're putting snow where I took the snow out of. Well, you know, you'll have that. Yeah, push this shit pretty good. You don't gotta get scared to this fucking, you're gonna be able to bucket it pretty good. This fucker's got a lot of power. And just bring it up and dump it. Fucking right. I want to shit you about something like that. Hey, turn that fucker right around. Like that. You eventually get onto it. It's just like anything else. It's like riding a fucking bicycle. Well, I don't know about that, but well, watch me take out this big Ron pile out here. Like I said, that fucker's got a lot of power. That's why you can't be fucking around when you're out here. You gotta know what the fuck you're doing. Like I said, I didn't think I was gonna get stuck out here plowing snow today, but the fucking markets director couldn't even fit into the fucking skid steer loader. And I said, you know, she's gotta quit that fucking eating. I might have just fucked up my Christmas tree lights. You'll have that. About time to take fuckers, turn fuckers off anyway. Quite honestly, fucking redneck. See how my makeshift GoPro road's doing.